This is an example of a marked writing assignment. It took less than 2 minutes to come up with all the comments here, and that was done through the use of Breevy. Now I will close this document and see if I can recreate that 2-minute marking experience for you. So the first thing to do is, of course, bring the file back up again. This time it'll be completely unmarked. And you can see I've changed the student ID numbers and names just to protect anonymity. And the first thing I should do is check for a space at the bottom to make sure there's room to paste the rubric that I use, and sure enough there is. So there is the rubric. Very simple little rubric that's just mainly checking for MLA style and a few other things. Now we'll highlight the first mistake, click on review, then the new comment button, type in the abbreviation, which in this case is full name. You can make any abbreviation you want. Then you press the control key to get the software Breevy to type out the entire comment for you. The next mistake is in the date format. So again, under the review tab, go to new comment and press the abbreviation, which is DF, and then the control key. And there we have the full comment for the date format. Here's a problem with the title, just a minor problem. So I'll just say T2 for a minor problem, and that problem of course is that they should have the classmate capitalized because it's a rather important word. We also should check double spacing, which I've already done, so I'll just put the comment in here that double spacing should not be done by pressing the return key or the enter key over and over again. That only leads to trouble. The next mistake is quite obvious, that this student chose to just copy and paste the script, so I'll say CP for copy paste, 5 for the lowest level, and a very nasty comment saying don't do it again. Directs the student actually to a place on the course page where they can learn how not to do that. I also have to correct this number 1 by just putting in NUM. Again, the abbreviations are totally up to you how you want to devise them, and mine work for me and yours will work for you. This is a proper noun problem, so I'll just say PN3. The final highlight is the big thank you at the end. Just press the new comment button and type in thank and press the control key. And I think that's all of them. Yeah, there's 8 there, plus the justification on the right is one of my pet peeves. So I always like to make a big deal out of that just to get the students to stop doing it. And so I'll put it in red and get a bullet thing on there. Then just press the letter J and control, and I think they get the message. Okay, so there's everything pretty much all checked as far as, you know, what I'm marking them for. And some of these things are worth deductions and some are not. Now the MLA style is definitely worth a deduction, and I think I should take about 6 points off for that. So no, pardon me, what was that? 4 points off, 16. And over here for the copy and paste job, we'll take 5 points off for that altogether. So that gives them a 15. Okay, this is actually not part of Breevy, but it's my way of compensating for my poor math skills. I just use a formula to add all the scores up for myself and the student. And of course, using a formula prevents mistakes. Okay, that's it. This has been marked, and then I would just print it off by pressing the print button and save it as it is, and that would be that student's assignment already done.